Hello friends, welcome to my channel Famous GK Study. My first question is, what is the longest river in India? Option A, Ganga River. Option B, Brahmaputra River. Option C, Godavari River. Option D. Correct answer is option A, Ganga River. Next question. What is the national heritage animal of India? Option A, chimpanzee. Option B, Asiatic lion. Option C, Asiatic black bear. Option D, elephant. Correct answer is option D, elephant. Next question. Who is also known as Iron Man of India? Option A, Bhagat Singh. Option B, Mohan Singh. Option C, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option D, Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is option C, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Next question. Jana Gana Mana was originally composed in which language? Option A, Gujarati. Option B, Hindi. Option C, English. Option D, Bengali. Correct answer is option D, Bengali. Next question. What is the national song of India? Option A, माँ तुझे सलाम. Option B, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा. Option C, जन गण मन. Option D, वंदे मातरम. Correct answer is option D, Vande Mataram. Next question. What is the national animal of India? Option A, lion. Option B, elephant. Option C, tiger. Option D, cow. Correct answer is option C, tiger. Next question. What is the national bird of India? Option A, peacock. Option B, sparrow. Option C, pigeon. Option D, parrot. Correct answer is option A, peacock. Next question. What is the national tree of India? Option A, neem. Option B, banyan. Option C, apple. Option D, ashoka. Correct answer is option B, banyan. Next question. What is the national fruit of India? Option A, guava. Option B, mango. Option C, apple. Option D, kiwi. Correct answer is option B, mango. Next question. What is the national flower of India? Option A, lotus. Option B, lily. Correct answer is option A, lotus. Next question. What is the national aquatic animal of India? Option A, shark. Option B, river dolphin. Option C, blue whale. Option D, octopus. Correct answer is option B, river dolphin. Next question. What is the national currency of India? Option A, euro. Option B, yen. Option C, Indian rupees. Option D, dollar. Correct answer is option C, Indian rupees. Next question. What is the national reptile of India? Option A, snake. Option B, viper. Option C, king cobra. Option D, python. Correct answer is option C, king cobra. Next question. What is the national game of India? Option A, football. Option B, table tennis. Option C, kabaddi. Option D, hockey. Correct answer is option D, hockey. Next question. What is the national vegetable of India? Option A, pumpkin. Option B, tomato. Option C, bitter gourd. Option D, capsicum. Correct answer is option A, pumpkin. Next question. What is the national calendar of India? Option A, Sakar calendar. Option B, Gregorian calendar. Option C, Hindi calendar. Option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, Sakar calendar. Next question. Who was the founded Indian National Army? Option A, Mohan Singh. Option B, Bhagat Singh. Option C, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option D, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer is option A, Mohan Singh. Next question. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Option A, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Option B, Chandrasekhar Azad. Option C, Subhash Chandra Bose. Option D, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Correct answer is option D, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. What is the smallest state of India? Option A, Sikkim. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Goa. Option D, Assam. Correct answer is option C, Goa. Next question. The first cricket club was established. Option A, 1792 in Kolkata. Option B, 1845 in Delhi. Option C, 1735 in Bangalore. Option D, 1820 in Mumbai. Correct answer is option A, 1792 in Kolkata. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.